welcome to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to make chickpea salad. So let's get started. So here I've taken a pan, and for this here I've added 1 tablespoon of oil. Next for this here I'm adding 1 cup of boiled and cooked chickpea. Saute it for 1 minute. Now here I'm adding salt and red chili powder as per taste. Mix them well until the salt and red chili powder gets combined well. Switch off the flame, and now here I've taken a bowl, and now for this here I'm adding 1 small onion finely chopped. Next here I'm adding 1 small tomato finely chopped. Next here I'm adding 1/4 cup of grated carrot. Next here I'm adding 1 inch of ginger that is grated, and also 1 green chili finely chopped. So let us mix them well. So once they're done, we will add 1 teaspoon of oil and now mix them well. Next we will add here our fried chickpea. Once they're done, next here I'm adding half squeezed lemon and finely chopped coriander and mint leaves. Mix them well. So this salad is ready to be served. They are very healthy and nutritious. You can have them as breakfast or even snacks. So garnish them with fresh green chili and with fresh mint leaves. So our easy and tasty chickpea salad is ready to be served. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon below. Don't forget to comment in the comments box below. Stay tuned for my more videos. Till then,